Alright, here's a walkthrough, starting from the same spot I started the other walkthrough. Back bench has been straightened up. And we have our hardtop on. And all our rigging. Moving forward. Our windows are now installed. It was just blank panels before. Again, hardtop is on. And we have some solar. We got only a couple hundred watts at the moment, but it's enough to keep the fridge and lights going. Moving forward. Trampoline is now installed. And a brand new beam. Again, the windows around the front. And a brand new windlass has been installed. We actually haven't anchored yet. Coming around the side here. Again, all the windows. And we do have the enclosure there, which needs new plastic glass put in, so that's something we do over this winter. Last time I was around here, we had all bent up handrails. They've been replaced. And new hatch covers. Still probably not the final version of that, but they work for now. And you've got instruments. And now the interior. Brand new table, brand new upholstery, which Shelley did. And all the new ceiling panels and ceiling covering is done. And as you can see in here, last time we had, I think I did this last time where I said where the windows needed to go. We've got the new windows in. And heading down, starboard head, all up and running, completely finished. We've had showers in it, works well. All the ship systems. Panel has been rebuilt. Still stuff to do. New bilge pumps. Bilge pump control, I should say. And the bedroom. Starboard bedroom. All the wall coverings, ceiling coverings done. Reading lamps with USB ports. Again, the salon area. galley. Port bedroom. Basically storage and tools right now. The room is done, we just don't have a mattress in here. Trim rings need to go around the hatches, but it's pretty much finished. And then back through the galley. New fridge electronics installed. Need to put a new stove in now. We're just using a butane single burner when we need to cook something. And then we have the port bathroom, which is also finished. We don't have a functioning shower in here at the moment. We have some hot water issues we have to take care of for this side of the boat, but the room is finished. And that's a tour. And then back outside to the cockpit. Then we installed the traveler system. So all the rigging's done, including all the reefing. And the lazy jacks. I think I pointed it out before, but we have replaced the instruments, including a new autopilot, and had the compass repaired. So that's all working. So that's it.